Everybody calls me, "Hey Albert," and I answer to it, obviously, which is great. You know, most people don't know that my name is Fred.
Fred Halpin is thrown out to the community, and from that, rewards have come back to him, and that's what has made him successful, and he's been blessed by that. And I don't think he'll ever change from that, because it's in him to do that. Throw out, share with what you've made, don't rob the community, throw out, and you'd be surprised what comes back to you.
I think it's pretty easy if you have the personality to give it out, to be able to give it yourself and not worry about what you're going to get in return. People are so generous and so loving, and you know, if you find a way to please the customer and you get out of this thing about how much money you make from this department or how much money you make from all these departments that you have in your store, and forget about that and let the customer be first and let the customer win and let the customer have their way, and then the customer will always let you make a little living and he'll be loyal, and that's the way it's been for me. All I can say is it's worked for Albert's.
Our key to success is my brother. I mean, there's no question about it. He's been my mentor in all this, and it's just service. It's service, caring, handshaking, hugging, finding the product, going the extra mile, the whole 9 yards. I mean, just never give up. The thank yous, the hellos, these things are all important. Treating a person how you would want to be treated, I think, is the key.
And it was the same thing with my son growing up. He started as a kid, you know, doing the same things I did, washing the windows, sweeping the floors, doing the bathrooms. So Josh didn't have it easy, and you know, whatever I could get him to do, he did it, and he grew up in the business. My son grew up in the business, and he's a good kid.
He's a nut. I love my father with all my heart. He's an eccentric person, takes things to the limit. He always worked his butt off, but if you know him, he runs marathons. He does 500-mile bike rides. Takes a certain kind of person and certain kind of mentality and mental edge and mental dedication to do that.
My brother is very warm. He gives to a lot of charities. He's involved with the AIDS Foundation. He's involved with the MS Foundation that people don't know about. He gives his heart and soul to these things. We had a brother that died of AIDS. He's rode his bike from Minneapolis to Chicago on a 7-day ride at 2 different times in his life. This man is driven. He's driven to be successful. The people that he's hired, he tries to bring them under the wings, and that's what it's all about. It's the drive that he has instilled in all of us that makes it work.
Since I started with him, I never thought I could reach the goals that I've reached. It's because of the exposure he has given myself and his business that we've grown tremendously, and I'm very thankful for that, because I don't think I've ever would have grown as fast as I have if I wasn't working for Fred Halpin. He gives you the exposure, he gives you the tools, the merchandise, just fully loaded with anything a customer comes in asking for. And that's not going to stop. And that's why it's called the Love Store, because we have beautiful engagement rings from $50 or even $40 on up to whatever you want to spend. We take your picture, we make you comfortable, we make you happy, and we'll even marry you on Valentine's Day. So if that's not love, what else is it, okay?
You know, we are the Love Store, and it's a wonderful business to be in. After being in this business, I probably wouldn't want to be in any other business, because we have a lot of fun with what we do, and we make a lot of people happy.
One of the new store is going to be 3 times the size of this store. Hopefully it's going to be fun. We're going to have a dance floor, we're going to have a piano, we're going to have a PA system. I'm going to dance and sing with people. And you know, what does that have to do with the jewelry business? Absolutely nothing, except we're going to have a good time. The recipe for the soup is not going to change. Hopefully we're just going to give you a little bigger bowl of soup. And when we get out there, we've had a fella design the store. He says this is the nicest store he's ever designed.
Over the years, we'd always talked about growing the business, being a superstore. The idea of having a family business is we all wanted to work together under one roof, and we'll all work together as a family. And that's what we've done. We just continually keep growing. Our product lines are growing. We've used every inch of this building where we're at now, and eventually we came to the point where we had to get a bigger location.
This is really to the people of East Chicago, as well as around. I've seen the man shed tears for getting ready to leave here. It's breaking his heart to have to leave here. That's how much he loved East Chicago. He gave awards to the police department, gave awards to the fire department, gave to the school kids the most improved student award. I've seen him go in his pocket. I've seen him share with them. And this is the Fred that you can't put on television. This is the Fred that you don't see, but he's a very caring person to the person that is less fortunate. And this is what East Chicago don't fully understand, what is being missed by this man.
As long as I'm living, I'm going to have things for a kid to come in and buy. I remember when I went and bought my mother little nylon stockings. That was my gift to my mother every time. But I want to have merchandise that young people can come in and spend $10, $15, and they can be right next to a young man buying his first engagement ring for $5,000 or $10,000 or $1,000 or $100, whatever it is. Everybody gets treated equally here, and it makes no difference. We make it fun, and I don't know where this thing came from. See you at Albert's. One of the things I did was I'll see you at Albert's at the end of it, and sometime it clicked. And when I'm walking down the street, almost invariably somebody will snap their finger and I'll see you at Albert's, and that's great. When I have a full house of customers and everybody's having a good time, I tell you what, it just doesn't get better than that. It's just so much fun having everybody have fun in the store. Even though they may be buying jewelry, they're having fun, and it is, we're singing, we're dancing, we're drinking, we're having fun. I love it.